Finding the courage to change. The child of a perfect higher power. For a long time, I didn't understand the idea of self-esteem. I was taught that you shouldn't become too big for your britches or think too highly of yourself. I also developed the mistaken idea that it was my responsibility to fix others or make them happy. These two influences created circumstances that made it impossible for me to like myself. As an adult, I slowly realized that one way to feel better about myself was to do good things. Simply taking right action helped a lot. Sometimes the next right action was washing dishes or sweeping the floor. It wasn't what I wanted to do, but it needed to be done and helped everyone. Over the past few years, I've become aware of a new belief. I am the child of a perfect higher power, a perfect parent. That parent is always available, always accepting, and always loving. I am a child of a perfect higher power, and that alone should command my respect. What others think of me is not my business. Even if no other person likes me, I can see and feel my connection to my higher power. I can allow divine love and healing to heal my mistaken patterns of thought and behavior. I cannot even escape from my connection to Source. When I look for it, it's always present physically. The only reason I don't always see it is because I've forgotten to look for it. Today, I lean on this knowledge. I am the child of a perfect higher power, and this parent loves me unconditionally.